Have you ever run through the forest just for the fun of it? Or explore the diversity and unpredictability? Or tumbled down hills, crossed over rivers, turned over rocks to see what lies under? I don't know why this isn't a more popular sport. It's thrilling. Take the adventure outside and enjoy life. What cultures live in the forest? What cultures still survive off the land? It's almost a lost lifestyle. We get so distracted with flashing lights and honking horns and money, cars and crowds. What could we learn if we were quiet? If we learned to stand still? If we learn to enjoy the freeness of being outdoors. The excitement that comes with running through the forest. You don't know what's gonna come in front of you. You could step into a hole and fall. You could grab onto a branch and swing. Find yourself flying over a log. You could run into a bear. This is home to so many. It's what I enjoy doing.